This is a list of requests. Welcome to You Pick, We Spray episode 2, where you guys give us color combination suggestions and we try to make it happen for you. So today we've got 5 fresh new suggestions plus one awesome bonus project that we are throwing right into the mix. So let me walk you through each one of these suggestions. So Brian Beebe says, was always partial in video games to do a red base with a green gold pearl over top. Turns it almost orange with a wicked green shift. So Gabe and I were thinking a like Ferrari red base, super bright red base with ZTL hypershift on top. ZTL is a rarely used hypershift because it doesn't have a lot of different tones that it shifts from, but it does a great job going from green to gold. So this should be perfect. Midnight Blackness. Put a mixture of alien and holographic shifting stuff on the darkest shade of black you've got. So the darkest shade of black we got is going to be a standard jet black base. But when it comes to mixing holographic and alien pearls together, that's going to be fun. I'm thinking RL71 mixed with a tad of hyper holographic pearl, see what that comes out like. Raw Reality. I've always wanted to see how something like X2 color shift pearls would look over a vivid or glossy maroon base. Would the outcome look like neochrome or something entirely different? It's a great question and we're going to find out today. Now I was thinking, man, we don't really have a true maroon base for this on the peelable side, but Gabe found a true maroon toner that's actually used on our OEM paints, and that's going to be excellent. We're going to do the maroon base with X2 on top. Mr. Lance Daly. ZRG over Wicked Wine with some kind of flake. Very straightforward, and I love it. So Wicked Wine base, ZRG hypershift, and he says with some kind of flake. So I'm assuming the flake inside the ZRG?
Sure.
Okay, so we got to see what kind of flake we've got laying around. A lot of it's packed up right now, but we will get a flake in there, I promise you. Poppin' Fresh 4100. How about BMW Java Green with an interference on top? So BMW Java Green, as you guys know, is an OEM color. And like I said last week, normally that would have been impossible. But now we offer all OEM colors in our Luna permanent paint line. So guess what I have right here? An aerosol of BMW Java Green OEM. So this is going to go down. And with an interference on top, you had a suggestion on that one?
Violet Martian.
Violet Martian interference over Java Green BMW. It should be incredible. Now, Gabe also has his own personal project that he wants to work on. So you're big into telescopes. I know that's one of your hobbies. So you have a big piece of a telescope that you want to paint.
Correct.
What is the name, or what do you call that piece?
It's called a dew shield.
Okay, and it's just a giant circle cylinder. And I saw it, it's pretty beat up. You want to paint it, permanent paint, get it nice and fresh, looking great again. What color were you thinking?
I was thinking ZTU.
ZTU. And right here, my friend, I have a permanent paint aerosol of ZTU Hypershift. So you're thinking black base, you're going to primer, black base, ZTU, clear coat.
Correct.
It's going to look awesome. We've got 5 requests. We've got Gabe's project. We've got a long afternoon ahead of us. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the projects. The samples and suggestions came out incredible. Gabe's project came out awesome. Today as a whole was just so much fun. I can't wait to show you what we did. You know what to do. Take a good look at each one of the samples, leave a comment below, and tell me what you think. Which one's your favorite? Did any of them surprise you? And if you want to change the color of your own car or even just play with our paints, whether it's with peelable or permanent, head straight to DipYourCar.com. You know we have a ton of different colors and a ton of different kits, and they're all DIY friendly. Again, Gabe and I had a blast today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I'll see you on the next one.